Newbury. It's 5 AM, so nice early start. Got the trailer on the back of the Panamera, so first proper distance towing for this thing, so we'll see how we get on. I've just reset the trip meter, so we'll see what MPG we get with an empty trailer versus what we get with a Ford Fiesta on the back. See you at COPART. So I'm 2 hours and 23 minutes into this little trip. We are 37 miles per gallon. So yeah, I've still got about 25 minutes to go to get to Newbury. Yeah, coffee time. So leaving COPART in Newbury with a little red Fiesta poking through the rearview mirror. So is it what I expected? Yeah, it's no real damage other than cosmetic damage by the looks of it, but that cosmetic damage has got a broken headlight, unfortunately, which rather sucks. So we'll get it home, get it off the trailer, see if this thing drives around a bit. It's got power, it's got 2 keys rather usefully, which is always good, and I've also got V5 for it, so which always makes it easy as well. So yeah, all good. A quick stop at a service station just to open up the back of the car, see what's around. Good news and bad news. Bad news, freaking Manchester United, lovely. Luckily there's some bins around here, so that's easy to deal with. But hey, in a bag, a Costa gift card for £10. Excellent. That makes the coffee a little cheaper. So just on the last stretch home, and we are averaging just under, so 29.7 miles per gallon over the 150 odd miles from Newbury back to North Devon.